afternoon, we're looking at some big improvements in visibility this afternoon in some of those same places that we're dealing with fog this morning. Here's a look at Thief River Falls and the DOT cam here along Highway 59. You can see we've got blue sky. The sun is shining in this area. And if you look in the distance, you can see all the frost on those trees yet again after this morning's fog. So we were stuck in that earlier this morning. It's since lifted, and I love seeing a visibility map with a bunch of 10s on it because that means we've got 10 miles visibility reported, and that's the maximum and just about everybody there and just a mile off in Baudette. So really looking good here for this afternoon. Temperatures are soaring in some spots. We're at 42 degrees in Jamestown. It's 42 in Sisseton. Fargo's at 27. It's 31 in Grand Forks. A reminder, averages in the teens for highs for this date. And we are well above that already, and we still have a few more hours of warming yet to go. A look at our winds, not much of a problem here. We're looking at wind speeds out of the south and up to 10 miles per hour for most of the valley. You can see them starting to turn westerly out west in Devil's Lake and Jamestown and Langdon. They're in the teens there. And more as we work our way over the next couple of days, those winds will pick up. So enjoy this quiet wind kind of day here in the valley here as we're starting off our afternoon. Checking out your conditions across the region, you can see just some clouds filtering in, a lot of high thin clouds, and the sun still shining through them. And that will continue as we work our way into the afternoon and into the 5 o'clock hour. By the way, of course, we've been talking about this last couple of days. Sunset after 5 now. This afternoon, temperatures will reach that low to mid 30-degree range for a lot of folks in the valley, 35 in Fargo and in Grand Forks. And of course, we're already seeing some low 40s in the south and west. And then continuing into this evening, more of the same. We're looking at some places where we're going to dip into the 20s as we head into the late night hours tonight. So where we have some melting happening today, there might be a little refreeze you're going to want to watch out for. And then continuing on into tomorrow morning, your Wednesday starts off with mild weather, temperatures in the 20s, and some quiet conditions for your early Wednesday. Now let's expand the view and talk about this storm system we've been warning you about. Here's a look at what we can expect through the day Wednesday. Largely pretty quiet. It's not until Wednesday night. This is 10 o'clock. You see the green on the map. In case you forgot, that means rain. We are going to be very warm tomorrow, warm enough for the first initial round of precipitation to be in the form of some rain or mixed precipitation. Overnight Wednesday night, this changes over to some mix again, and then snow. You can see there's going to be some breaks here. It's not going to be a constant ongoing threat, but the potential's there heading through Thursday and into Friday morning for that snow. So as we head into farther Thursday night and especially into early Friday, we're looking at snow starting to fill in. And the longer it's around, of course, as you would expect, the more accumulations we start building up. This is Thursday night. The wind will be strong at this point in time out of the northwest. We're talking some gusts heading into your Thursday night and into your Friday morning that could top 50 miles per hour. Anywhere where it's snowing, there's going to be some problems with visibility and travel. Gradually, this will start to pull eastward during the day on Friday and into Friday night. But it could get pretty dicey here, and we do have that first alert weather day for your Friday. Even Thursday, it's going to be tough too leading up to that. So I'd be aware of that, especially if you have travel plans. Check back with us. We'll continue to keep you updated as it gets closer, and brace yourselves. It's going to feel a lot more like January by the weekend. Highs in the teens and 20s.